Alright guys, severe thunderstorm warning. Here, the weather radio's talking, we're going to have to wait till that's over. But a severe thunderstorm warning just came out for we'll wait till it's done talking.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through.
We'll have to wait till it's done talking.
This is a special weather statement for the fall.
Now what y'all just heard, that was a severe thunderstorm warning that just came out for Robertson County, Tennessee. The one for Logan County, Kentucky goes down in about another 10 minutes. Or actually 12 minutes. For Logan County, they're Russellville. If we can, I'm gonna... if we can call up the weather cam in Russellville, they're in Logan County. If it'll load. Well, I'll just pause till it's loaded. Here, this is what it looks. Okay, guys, so this is what you're looking at. This is what it looks like down in Russellville, there in Logan County, where the severe thunderstorm warning was. It may be coming down here in about 5 minutes. 10 minutes. This storm looks like to me it's just cleared out of the area, so we will just go back to interactive radar. So anyway, I wanted to come on here and so yeah, that severe thunderstorm warning may be weakening. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go, and if any more warnings come in, I'll let you guys know.